Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with essential prerequisites. Ensure natural vision evolved and rage hook are installed and match each other. Once done, back up your GTA 5 folder so you can revert if something breaks, and set the game to the recommended graphics API. Make sure overlays and other ENBs are disabled because they conflict. Then launch the game once to generate default settings. This creates the files NVE needs to modify. This gets you immediately ready for the next configuration. You now configure visuals to balance fidelity and frame rate. Open immersive, inai and the mod's visual settings. JSON and choose a preset tuned to your GPU. While editing, reduce MSAA or switch to post-AA if RAM is tight, and lower LOD and streaming budgets to avoid stutters. Use the in-game NVE menu or a trainer to apply weather and lighting presets so you see changes in real time. Once settings feel right, save and note which values impact performance most. You finish by rigorously testing. Drive through city, hit highways, and try night and rain to reveal streaming and lighting issues. If you crash or get low FPS, revert one recent change at a time so you isolate the cause. Check rage hook logs for errors. Make sure GPU drivers are current and run the game as administrator. If shaders miscompile, clear the shader cache and relaunch. This methodically gets NVE stable while preserving the visual gains you want.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.